Hello.
Hello everyone. We just get back from the temple and now we're having a lot of food like as you guys can see here. So all the food here we just bought from the Cambodian temple. So mong bọnទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវពួកយើងទៅមកដល់ផ្ទះមិញហ្នឹងឥឡូវយើងបានមកហូបច្រើនណាស់ឥឡូវចង់យកមកញ៉ាំនៅផ្ទះហើយនឹងចង់បង្ហាញបងប្អូនថាពួកខ្ញុំទិញបានអីខ្លះ So we got the papaya salad. So this one is like Lao style. So they use like the I think they use fish sauce. They didn't use the fermented fish sauce, so they use fish sauce. And then we get beef on the stick, pork sausage, and beef sausage. So bong pon như ban có ăn.
Gonna be good.
Thì có ăn xịt quả chru, xịt ní xịt chru xịt quả bong pon hay ní là xịt quả cô dương nắng. Hay như ban tập bye. Or bong Sam favorite. Same favorite, yeah, alcohol rice. We ban tapai or ngay.
Basically fermented rice. It's good.
Yes, and we get the fried banana. So mình Khmer có tha họ đó có lụ chỉ chiên. Đợt pe năm nay có chư có chinh bị mọt đó. Chẳng có ban phơi chẳng nhầm nếu tinh pi khang Thai fried banana. So normally we bought Cambodian banana, fried banana. But she didn't make it this year. So we bought from Thai people there.
I think she remembered us because she told us no bananas.
Yeah,
I think
she remembered us.
She remembered I like banana. Kim did Jake.
Ông con nè lụa chị chia nó. Con chăm phụ nhâm phi nè. Con chỉ kêu con đừng thầm bằng xem chị chia này cái tha. Ôi mùi ơi, ở ban chiên chị chiên lụa ấy, còn khinh mất tha chăng mỏ. Con chăm phi nè đang mỏ.
She remembered me.
Yeah, she remember you. And ban okay. Cassava cake bong bóng. Ôi, tao đâu mình tên nè. Cái cassava cake nó bọc lá nữa I think like cassava cake. So we will try this one and let you guys know how it tastes. And dương bán nông xôi bong bóng. Yeah, nông xôi. $3 bong bóng. Nông xôi nó miên sờ đại miên ấy khang không đi bong bóng nâng chứ nhé. $3 for $5. It's called num soy.
What's inside?
It has sticky rice, bean, shredded coconut, sugar, sesame seed, and then they wrap it with the kind of like flour wrapper here.
It's called num soy.
Num soy.
Not soy like smelling.
Not soy. Soy.
Oh, okay. Sounds the same to me.
Bong xem bong chăng call num soy nè, mà men num soy te. It's not num soy.
What I heard.
Nhưng mà nông pan nhằm chúng xịt cổ án hay năng xịt quả bông phổ chứ như ban trang nói bông phổ ngày nè hay từ quạt ngày nè ban nhằm một hồ bệt ngày này quạt đó sờ bãi chụp chung kia. Ok là chụp đam nhằm tới
Ông John nông pan.
Cha ông trong nông pan. Get a little bit of bread. We didn't warm it up so it's okay because we need food now. Kind of a little bit hungry nhưng giờ tự cọ xem. I make a mess.
Again, she made 2 messes with the ice.
Okay. This nhâmទឹកស្វាយ mango juice.
That's why. Ooh,
Cheers everyone.
Oh, cheers. Cheers, love.
Oh, it's good. I like this kind of mango juice.
Sedek mango juice.
It's a mango juice. Okay, let's eat. I'm excited to eat the live papaya salad. So good. The dog of own James at the
Is there shrimp in it?
No. Just for you. Fish sauce. A little bit spicy.
That's the not spicy one.
I told her just put a little bit. That's too spicy.
She showed you. She's like, "Is this okay?" She made you say okay to how much spice. Okay.
Spicy. Được chỉ có cô bằng bồnជាមួយmình còn nơi thua nên ngọt đấy bằng bồn rồi năm còn thua lũ á ngay nhà bọc có đâu sẽ cô ăn cái ngay sẽ có cô cái ngay hay nhom bài chỉ có mà thòng này có lụa sẽ có chai tí đó bong bóng mà thòng nó miên đồng bơ sạch rõ តម្លៃ $20
It is good that we got there early. Very much. We had a good parking spot. Easy to get out of. But your parents had basically the best parking spot.
Yeah.
The only way to get better is if you actually park inside the temple. And that's a headache to get out of.
Had to get out. Yeah. We got a best parking spot too.
Ours was very good.
We don't have to walk across the street to the school parking lot. So normally, almost every year, we park there across the street because we are very lazy.
Always late.
Lazy to get up. Always late. Get there maybe around like 9:30 or something, right?
A lot of times we get there too late and the food's kind of gone too. But
I want to try pork sausage.
it tastes
At
pretty
least
good.
sausage roll các bông bông. I think that her first time selling this. Last year she didn't have a pork sausage and she said she gave her a try. She gave sample. She said anybody want to try? Remember I asked you.
Oh, I didn't know we were getting a sample.
I asked you, you want to try? You say no.
Yeah, I didn't know it was free.
Try, it's free.
I thought you meant like after we bought it, I want to try some right there.
Wow, it's really good. Bông bông chanh là chúng nhỉ? Chị gọi chị chú con đó. Tôi tha, chị gọi chị chú con nói chanh trong chanh chia chị gọi chị cô tiếng rồi. Lấy nhắm krương là chẳng áp. Thôi nhưng mà chọc đam nhắm bằng ải. Sam favorite part.
Are we doing cassava cake first?
So which one you want to try first? Cassava cake?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, go for it. Lấy nâng nhom cái xa num okay. Num đông ít lồng chơi bằng con đồng chớ. Num từ lồng chớ. Trong xạ mất tha num từ lồng chớ nó chanh mấy cho mình mới bóng bóng.
Moi be bye.
Not bad on bone. Good. I like it. Wow. Really impressive on bone. I thought it's not gonna be good, but it tastes really good.
It's a little different than I expected, but ooh, change
Yeah.
again.
I think it's a little bit different from Khmer cassava cake.
It's not too sweet either. I mean, it's sweet, but it's not as sweet as I was expecting.
It's not like overwarm.
I was afraid it was gonna be.
Oh wow.
But I'm the whole.
Wow. Really good.
Yes. Now it's
And what next?
the bye.
The pie. You can see his eye kind of like go to the alcohol rice.
It's a fermented rice, right? Black rice fermented with water and sugar for several days, and it
Okay, now he's not much.
gets a sweet smell.
Oh wow. This one good too. I'm chewing then.
Yes.
You taste a little bit of like alcohol, a little bit sweetness, a little bit like sour. Good. Có thua là mỏ bông bông chứ anh nói. Để tới bài đi. Có thua cắt là mồm smile đi ha. Vì mình mày pé vì mình cha pé á, nhưng nhằm tới dân đăng ru chít tập bài, dân xẻ tích ông bón. Ai ai mình tích, hay những người chui dân có. Chứ anh bông qua. Good, right?
It is good. You would get a stomach ache before you ever felt the alcohol, though. You don't have to eat a whole lot, and then you're like, ooh, that's pretty strong. Well, not strong alcohol, but just strong in general. It's rich. I don't know how you put it, but
Yeah.
it's nice.
You keep it cold, even better.
Also, the next serving of it will be cold.
Yeah. Or you put the big plate like I just had to grab it.
All right, I'm good.
Okay.
It's your job to cut into that.
That's my job.
Yeah, I don't want to mess it
Bông
up.
bông là
But
you
it's so
move
nice.
on. Move on to num soy. We move on to soy dessert. It have let me open that to show you guys. So, oi. Why so difficult? It's really sticky. Oh, we should warm it up. I think the wrap is kind of sticky and hard. Okay, បងប្អូនខ្ញុំចង់បង្ហាញបងប្អូនតិចណា Ten.
All the coconut, the sugar.
Sesame seed. Okay, it have a sticky rice. Oh, sorry guys, I told you guys that there is some bean in there, but there's no bean. Normally
Okay.
there's some bean in here.
I don't want
Okay,
beans in there.
it's only sticky rice, shredded coconut, sugar, sesame seed, and wrap with this flour wrapper. Oh, I'm sorry,ឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់បងប្អូន
Take a bite.
Okay,
Take a bite like a taco.
here we go.
Just a
Let's
taco.
give it a try here. អូយតែម្លេះ Good. You didn't say anything.
It's okay. It's not my favorite. It's good, but it's not my favorite. I don't know. It might be the sesame seeds. I'm not a huge sesame fan. It's not bad
But
though.
if you warm it up in the microwave, maybe better.
It might be. But it's not bad. But it's just not my favorite with the sesame seeds. I will take another cassava
Try
cake.
the fried banana.
Oh yes, I forget about that one because I've already had like half the fried bananas.
Oh, but on the they already finished the whole box.
Oh, I ate a
Whole
few of them.
container.
Ate part of them.
He already bump on xem còn nhắm cái sọp bên này là 2 cái tháng lên ăn thấy ăn đắng vào trong sẵn khơi ăn đắng nó bắt sạc hay là off bẹo đài. Okay, you want to try in front of the fan, not the fan, in front of everybody.
The banana? You got it.
Fried banana.
The fried
Try
banana.
it.
It's nice.
And let everyone know. What do you think?
I think it's good. I like fried bananas. The Asian bananas fried. They're nice. It's very nice. Your turn. It's Jiang. It's Jiang.
Okay. Xay xui bông bông mà xay xui think good mom. It's not like crispy. It's crispy. Gonna be good.
Yeah, when they're fresh.
I think I
Toffee.
like Canadian fried banana better.
Yes.
It's like it has more flour, and you can taste more like coconut flavor, and from sesame seed too. This they don't put sesame seed. So like Thai fried banana and Cambodian fried banana are different.
Yep.
So they both fried, but use different a little bit different ingredients. So this Thai banana, Thai fried banana. They didn't put shredded coconut or they don't put shredded coconut, and they didn't put sesame seed. For Cambodian fried banana, we put shredded coconut, and I think we put coconut meal in there too, and some sesame seed on the top. And we have more flour on the banana. It's for me, it tastes better.
Comment down below if you want to see her make fried Cambodian bananas.
Yeah, បងប្អូនចង់ឃើញខ្ញុំធ្វើ fried banana បងប្អូន comment down below.
Please comment Bunte Bunte. I want the Cambodian style fried banana. Please comment down below. To the lady that makes them normally, the Cambodian style, please make them next year. Or in October, please make them from October. These are okay, but yours are better.
No, I think they put a little bit straight coconut, sorry guys. But it's not like really good. Yeah, you put a little bit.
Not as good as the Cambodian ones.
Yeah.
But I'll also take it. Heat them up a little bit.
But still good. Still good guy. Don't take me wrong. Them both are good, but I like the Cambodian fried banana better. Quite have more dough, more flour, and then more shredded coconut, and it has sesame seed too. So when you take a bite, it's so crispy and crunchy and taste. My mom, she want to buy one too, but the ladies over there, the lady that sells the cassava, she said, "Oh, I'm sorry, there's only one." I'm like, we like, why? You haven't said anything yet. Why you say only one less? She said, "Oh, I make a mistake, wrong technique." I don't know why she say. The rest I didn't cook all the way, so only one that maybe cook all the way.
We got
One
lucky and got the
container.
only one.
Yeah,
And
but I'm surprised. We really like it. It tastes really good. Yeah. So if some of you guys out there go to like a food festival or something, or if you see a Lao cassava cake or Cambodian cassava cake, give it a try. It's yummy. Yeah, បងប្អូនខ្ញុំមិញទៅទិញម្ហូបនៅមាត់ហ៎ cassava cake ហ្នឹងនំអីដលងឈើហ៎ទៅកន្លែងខាងឡាវគាត់លក់ហ៎ទៅគាត់ប្រាប់ថាម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំគាត់ចង់ទិញមកប្រអប់ដែរដល់ពេលហ្នឹងទៅសួរគាត់ថាមានមកប្រអប់មានទៀតអត់ឃើញតែមកប្រអប់គាត់ថាអូយសុំទោសម្ដងនេះគាត់ធ្វើខុសបច្ចេកទេសវាអត់ខុកដូចថាអត់ឆ្អិនដល់ទាំងអស់ដល់ពេលហ្នឹងទៅគាត់មានតែមកប្រអប់ទេឆ្អិនហើយខ្ញុំថាចុះមិនឆ្អិនតែមកប្រអប់ចា Yeah but it's ឆ្ងាញ់បងប្អូនឆ្ងាញ់មែនតើគាត់ធ្វើគេធ្វើឆ្ងាញ់ណានិយាយទៅនំដលងឈើរបស់ខ្មែរយើងក៏ឆ្ងាញ់មួយយ៉ាងរបស់ឡាវក៏ឆ្ងាញ់មួយយ៉ាង Yeah
Hope we can find it at the park. Is the party in the park next weekend or the weekend after? I forget.
I think next weekend.
I think it is. But I bet we can find a lot of these there. Hopefully those same people are there with a cassava cake.
Yeah.
I'm also looking forward to that Burmese
banana bread. Yeah.
Hopefully they have that still.
និយាយទៅបងសែមពេលទៅកន្លែងគេលក់ម្ហូបលក់អីពេលបនម្ដងបងប្អូនគាត់ទៅកន្លែង Burmese ដូចមីយ៉ាន់ម៉ាគេលក់ម្ហូបគេដែរណាគេមាននំចេកអូឆ្ងាញ់មែនតើបងប្អូនគេដកនំចេកហ្នឹងណាបងប្អូនទៅបើឃើញមានម្ហូបមីយ៉ាន់ម៉ាគេមានលក់នំចេកហ្នឹងទិញអត់ខុសទេឆ្ងាញ់មែនតើតែក៏បើចឹងបើទិញបែបសង្ស័យពួកខ្ញុំទិញត្រូវកន្លែងផងបើសិនទិញខុសកន្លែងបើសិនឆ្ងាញ់ក៏ខ្ញុំអត់ទទួលខុសត្រូវដែរណានិយាយលេងបងប្អូន just kidding
Kim Jong Ting might be Nom Jake Bai. Nom Jake Bai. I'll buy 3 of them. I'll buy 3 of the banana breads.
3 boxes.
Yeah, there's only a little bit in the box.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 boxes. 2 would be good.
Yeah បងប្អូននិយាយទៅម្ហូបទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងឆ្ងាញ់សឹងទាំងអស់ចាខ្ញុំ give 10 out of 10 so all the food are really good so yeah អរគុណបងប្អូនសម្រាប់ការតាមដានហើយ yeah maybe we should say bye to everyone and yeah thank you everyone for
you should
watching.
Subscribe though to come see the activities next weekend. Subscribe so you can come see what's going on with the Lunar New Year. Cambodian, Laos, Myanmar, different groups will all be together in the park up in Portland. We'll be there buying different foods, enjoying the events, watching the dancing. It'll be a good time. So subscribe if you want to come see that.
បងប្អូនចាអញ្ចឹងកុំភ្លេចនៅរងចាំទស្សនានៅភាគបន្តពួកខ្ញុំនៅមានវីដេអូទៅលេងស្រុកខ្មែរហើយនឹងវីដេអូទឹកក្រោយពួកខ្ញុំនឹងទៅបននៅគេធ្វើចូលឆ្នាំហ្នឹងបងប្អូននៅផាកណាហើយចាំបងប្អូន stay tuned for the video yeah so thank you guys for watching today and we hope you guys enjoy this video okay អរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសួស្តីឆ្នាំថ្មី Happy New Year
Bye bye
bye